Hi guys, welcome back. Hi guys, it's me, Afro Sheep, gamer, whatever, and I'm gonna just be doing my first fireworks stash. I was bored and just so yeah, this is my 2016, 2016 fireworks stash. Today's June 2nd, and I can't wait because actually, I went to Black Cat. You know where? This is Bend, Oregon, and where Chan's is, and where the apartments live. Just go across the street and see this big stand, and they're actually gonna do 500 worth of dollars of fireworks, and then light it up. There's a big barbecue, and yeah, and we're gonna be going. And I'm not gonna light these fireworks. I'm gonna save them. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Let's start. So I had a packet. I have five smoke balls from this like Dragon brand. They have 12 pieces each. Yeah, I got one buy one get one free at the thing. Yeah, so I got it. So I got 17. Then I got 2 packs of crackling balls. Balls. Sorry. Go find out the packet. I lit some up already of these, but for some reason like I did a purple one, and I think these are not even I think these aren't even these are not purple. They're actually whitish purple, but mostly white. So yeah, I don't know what the heck. I got 2 packets of crackling balls. Buy one get one free. So I got 2. Then I got these magic whips. I got one, but it wasn't. But this nice guy, he just said, you know what? I'm gonna give you a free one, so you give me another one. Kind of like firecrackers, but in a strip. Next I have 2 whistling whistling tri-rotating wheel. I got 2. Buy one get one free, so I got 2 of those. I did have sparklers, but last night my friend came over, had a sleepover, and we just lit most of the sparklers and some smoke balls. Yeah, smoke balls. And then I got these 2 conic fountains. They're just a Chinese brand. I got 2 of them, 40 cents. These are really cheap. Then I got some screaming wheelie. Yeah, I got one. Then I got 2 mini Goku fountains. I got one buy one get one free, so I got 2. Next I have these crackling ground bloom flowers. They're like teen ground bloom, but they crackle and ending like crackling balls. Sorry. And I got 2 buy one get one free, so you know how to get them. Then these are my favorite. Then I got jumbo ground bloom flowers. They're huge. Look, just compare it to this. They're literally, it's big. And again, I did have sparklers, but I wasted them on with my friend. Like, really wanted to use it. Yeah, just get to bigger stuff. I got 2 butterfly flowers. Buy one get one free. Tight. Then I got 2 cool fountains. I don't know if I think they're cakes, but they have holes. Let me see. So, hey. Caution, may reignite. Soak with water after it. Oh, I got 2 of these cool fountains. I don't know what the heck they are. Then I got 2 killer bees, like TNT. I have 2. I'm gonna get them right now. They're in this bag. Buy one get one free, so I got 2. Oh, then I got lots of these. Sorry, 6. So I got 3 red golden diamond. This is how they look like. And 2 blue golden diamond. And they're cheap. Actually, like $1 for each. So I got them. Then I have Then I got 2 hot pots. Got 2 of these. 2 of them. Next I have 2 packs of tanks. Let's get them out. 2 packs of tanks. I didn't lit any. My friend wanted some, so I gave him 2. And yeah, each one comes with 12. So I must have got 24. Yeah, it was actually a good deal. It was $10, right, to buy this, but get one free. So I got 24. Then, so here.
Oh, are you making a video? Hello. This is Ceci. I found her. She was hurt. Yeah, Ceci, you know, because it's sexy. But instead, I call her Ceci because, like you know how people who don't have teeth here, they can't say the X. So they're like, Ceci. So that's why I call her Ceci. She's staring at me because she hates me, I'm pretty sure, but oh well.
You know he's going to YouTube. You know the white. Yeah, you better. Yeah. So yeah, I got 2 of those. 2 packets. Then I got this big Roman candle. It's like a sword. It's got Zorro. What?
Do not let my dad take it,
Okay. And 5 crickets. And Zorro. My sister found a baby bird that was hurt, so we're gonna keep it. And we're not trying to feed it, but it doesn't want to. Because Zorro, here, it's a Roman candle. Then I got these 2 Black Cat extra large California candle. I got 2 of those. It was buy one get one free. $5 if I got one free. So yeah. That's it for my 2016 fireworks stash. And that's her. Yeah. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. So bye-bye. I'm going to show you how they look like. Shove it in there. Bye-bye.